Clovis here with UNAS Technology LLC. Today we're going to talk about return type method versus void method. Pretty much there is some method that return some value and based on its type, and others they don't return. So like this method called calculate, this method calculate 2 times 2. You can see it has something in front of a void. It means it doesn't return any value. It does just what is inside here, and it can do something inside, just inside here. But look here, we have multiply by 10. We don't have void, but we have something double, and you can see the keyword inside here is return. So what happened inside the return type method, like this one in occurrence, is whatever you're gonna do inside here, you have to return the same type of value. The value has to match the same type of variable it's gonna be returning. So, and you can see also something here. We call this one parameter. Like you can pass it and then do something with it. So it's a kind of variable which is passed inside the parentheses of the method. We call it parameter. So like right here, if we pass inside the multiply by 10, 20, multiply by 10 is here. So number here is going to be 20, and 20 times 10 is going to be 200. So let's just run first the first this one, like we're passing 20, and then is 20 times 10, 200, and then it's returning 200. So when it's going to return 200, so 200 is going to take this all method call here, and then we're going to assign 200 to results, and here we're just doing the 200, we pass it to print results. Print results is a void method that doesn't return anything, so it's gonna print the result. If you don't trust me or you doubt me, let's try to do ask if he was returning something. Double check equal, look, it's been complaining, and if you come here, it's gonna say, oh look, can convert from void to double. So it's complaining because it's a void method. So let's run it and then see what's happening with this line of code. And run. You see it's 200. Definitely is giving us 200 because what we did is like we have a return type method where we're passing 20, and inside this method, which is this one, we do 20 times 10 and it gives us 200. We put it inside the results, and then we print that 200 from here inside the void method. That's it for today.